Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Today I have a letter. Let's see what we have. This is another teeny tiny one. It's really, really small, but I have my glasses. Let's see what it says. Okay, so this is to Miss Rosalie, again, Heyman, Indiana. He calls her Billy, and this is from a private Henry. It's going to New York City, but he is away. Dear Billy, I just had our PO number changed to 562. So you can now send the rest of the mail at this new number. I haven't received any mail now for about 4 days. But I guess we're about due for some any day now. I've just gotten a fruitcake from Marge the other night, and it was pretty good. Oh, that's nice to send a fruitcake overseas. I think this is coming from overseas because this is airmail, and it comes from like a little microfilm. I haven't wrote to thank her yet because I've been so busy, but I'll write her soon. I haven't seen Pat since October 20th when we left about 40 miles from here. Ooh. I wonder if that's a relative to one of my relatives even. I'm not saying the last names because some people had said don't read the last names, so I thought that's probably a good idea and I should just keep away from that. I haven't received the cigarettes from Bill yet, but I'm sure low on smokes. I hope I get some soon, as we can't even buy them here. They send them all the way to the front. I guess you wonder why I'm using a pencil. I guess I write letter with a pencil, and if I make a mistake, I can erase. Clever, huh? Well, honey, how are things back home? I hope everything is going all right. I sure miss you, honey. I hung your colored picture right next to my bunk, where I can look at it all the time. When I lay down, it makes me wonder what you were doing at the time. I can picture you sitting by the radio and knitting or sewing. I fall asleep with you on my mind. Oh, that's nice. That's so sweet. I love you, honey. So till tomorrow, say hello to everybody. Lots of love and kisses. Your Private Henry. Oh, that's a sweet little note. And that was on November 11th, 1944. Well, if you like these videos, like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when they post. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If there's an area you're looking for, I can always go on a little search and see what's out there. Okay, everybody, have a good day. Bye.